This is the crypto revolution!
The
And
internet
yes,
era.
No one move! A future is decentralized!
Please don't hurt anyone!
We are here to liberate you from the old
Level 10.
system.
Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as the first cryptocurrency. You wake up into an argument dressed as innovation. That hits the modern imagination hard because it asks a question older than banking and newer than the internet. Who should control the ledger? For some people, the answer is obvious. Not the state, not the bank, not the intermediary. Let the network do it. Let code do it. Let distributed verification do it. For others, this sounds like liberation mixed with chaos. Both reactions matter because crypto is never only about technology. It is also about trust, rebellion, tribe, narrative, and the dream that money might be rebuilt from first principles. You feel the electricity of that dream immediately. A new kind of money is appearing online. It is border light, internet native, programmable, volatile, ideological, community driven. This does something rare. It turns monetary theory into public spectacle. Suddenly, ordinary people are arguing about ledgers, sovereignty, inflation, centralization, scarcity, custody, and institutional trust, even if they do not use those exact words. And because the internet amplifies both hope and hype, crypto becomes emotionally extreme. Fortunes rise quickly. Fortunes fall quickly. Believers become evangelists. Skeptics become comedians. Communities form. Memes become monetary theater. That is why crypto attracts people from very different emotional tribes. Some want privacy. Some want speculation. Some want revolution. Some want an escape hatch. Some simply want to be early to the next big thing. Different motives, same magnet. The feeling that the monetary order is not finished. You may never buy any. You still live downstream of the idea. Because once Bitcoin demonstrates that digital value can operate according to a new trust model, the horizon changes. Now money is not only bank data or government paper translated into screens. Now money can also be a native internet object with its own logic, its own rules, its own story of legitimacy. That does not mean every promise built on top of it is wise. It does mean the old monopoly on imagination has broken open. Trust the bank or trust the code.